another development with both of these incidents. According to the Dodge County Sheriff, both of the suspects were undocumented, and Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, have been notified. He tells our Arman Rahman it's necessary for his community's safety to reveal that.
This was the scene of a fatal crash Sunday, which the Dodge County Sheriff's Office says took the life of the suspect driver's passenger.
The suspect wasn't supposed to be here in the first place.
Sheriff Dale Schmidt says according to ICE, the 32-year-old driver of the truck was not in the country legally, and the agency had placed what's called a detainer on him.
I can't arrest somebody for a federal immigration violation. That's the federal government, but I will participate and I will cooperate with them and give them information.
I asked him if it is common for his agency to report immigration status of people he arrests.
When we have a criminal activity like this, yes, I will.
According to UW-Madison law professor John Gross,
I would not say that is a common thing for law enforcement to do, at least in my experience.
Gross says immigration status is not relevant to a criminal case in state court.
You could have a prosecutor attempt to argue that shows, right, a willingness or to break the law, that it's something that could be held against the person by a juror.
However, Gross says both the crash and the stabbing, also committed by an undocumented immigrant, do fall under the Laken-Riley Act President Donald Trump signed into law this week.
The Laken-Riley Act does require the Attorney General to detain and initiate deportation proceedings against anyone who is even accused of a crime where there is serious injury or death.
The sheriff says there have been more cases of crime committed by undocumented migrants across the country and in Wisconsin.
One right here in Dodge County, a cartel member who was arrested twice.
Gross says statistics say otherwise.
People who are not citizens commit crimes at lower rates than citizens.
Overall, the sheriff says
it's hard to see these types of crashes, especially when it's needless.
Sheriff Dale Schmidt says the suspect will likely be booked into the Dodge County Jail this weekend. Reporting in Dodge County, Arman Rahman, News 3 Now.